So you made it to part 3 of IKEA Wardrobe Packs. So basically this is part 3 where we show you how the actual drawers are now going to be put together and fitted into the cupboard. This is actually the final part of this video that we will be showing you. So basically the drawers come in a separate box, as you saw my cousin rip it off. It comes with its own screws and little wood pieces. So the tools that we need for this one is basically a drill, as you can see here, a screwdriver also, and a hammer. So it's important that we have these tools in hand, because without these tools basically we just can't do the job. And we need to make sure that all the screws are secured properly within when you're putting the drawer together, because it's going to be used a lot during the years, and obviously you want that to be quite firm while you use it inside the wardrobe. So as you can see here, we've put the screws in, and then we've put the little wooden pieces that come with it. That makes it a little bit more secure, and that's basically the glue that keeps the drawer all together. And they're all over the wardrobe really, even on the frame, those little woods. That's the main glue that keeps the wardrobe together. So as you can see over here, my cousin is now putting the pieces together after he's put all the screws in and the little wooden pieces. Another important thing is that it might be easier and quicker to have 2 people do the drawers as well, because each one can hold one piece while the other one fits the other piece. But if you've done this before, obviously one person is capable of doing the drawer, because it's not something heavy, it's not something dangerous, it can't fall on anyone. And make sure that you have enough space around you. You do it on the floor and not on the table or somewhere where you could fall on a child or anything like that. So please make sure that health and safety comes first. You use the right tools, you have enough space, and so we just want to make sure that we tick all the boxes regarding health and safety. So now I would like to mention something very important for me and my channel mainly. It's basically I have loads and loads of views, thousands of views on my channel daily, and it's a shame to say that a lot of people actually watch my videos, and the videos help them a lot, but what happens is that they forget to subscribe. So I would really appreciate the help, guys. Show some love, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment, whether it's positive, whether it's negative. Still go ahead and leave a comment and I'll get back to you. It will really help my channel grow. It will help YouTube advertise it and give it to show it to loads of people out there who actually need the help, who don't know how to do these things. So that's why I'm doing them. And by subscribing, by giving me the thumbs up, by sharing the video with your loved ones and friends and family, this would make my channel grow and reach out to many more people around the world. So please, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the video basically. So once the drawer is all put together, we come to the final pieces, which is these metal pieces that you see over here. These will be screwed directly on the wardrobe itself, on the side walls of the wardrobe. It won't go on the drawer, so make sure you have the screws. And as you can see here, my cousin's measuring it up just to make sure we've got the right ones for these drawers. Like I said, IKEA can make mistakes and sometimes put the wrong ones in there, so you just want to be on the safe side and the right side before you start making holes unnecessarily on your wardrobe. So for these little metal sliders, we're going to actually use a drill to drill them and screw them on the actual wall of the wardrobe, and make sure they're all secure before sliding the drawers in. Once they are both secure in place and not flimsy, make sure that they don't move around, because this can make the drawers wobble a little bit once they have a load of clothes or anything else that you want to put in there. when opening and closing. So when they're both secure, that's when the drawers actually go on top of them, and they've got a little click where you need to secure them. So when you slide the drawer out, it doesn't actually come out completely, but there's a little stopper that stops it from coming out the wardrobe. So anyway, guys, you get the drill. You see what we're doing here. It's pretty straightforward. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the channel with any loved ones, friends, family that you think might help them as well, and will also help my channel when you do that. And enjoy the video, guys, and I hope this video has helped, and I hope you enjoy your new wardrobe.